Well, here behind me you can see the silver trailer that we brought home in the last video that I made. Since then I have acid washed it, I've polished it a little bit, we've done some interior stuff in the living quarters, and we're going to go over the plans I'm also going to go over the plans for the old blue trailer here, which is the one I thought we were going to use, and you're going to have to work with me because the camera isn't going to focus unless my face is in it. So we'll start at the back of the trailer and work our way forwards. Lighting in here is a little bit bad right now, and we'll fix all that here soon. So originally we were going to use this blue trailer behind me, this Big Valley 3-horse, and then I went and picked this 94 Trail Jet or XLT or something like that, strictly just for resale. Wasn't going to put no money into it except what needed to be done. Well, we did that, and it turns out this trailer is way more well suited for our needs compared to the blue one. So now we're looking at moving everything into this trailer right here. It's got some really bad spots on it, like the rust right here, which personally, rust doesn't bother me unless it's on the outside where people can see it, but on the inside. But obviously stuff like this can be fixed. It's nothing but pulling these mats off and just putting another sheet of aluminum or another sheet of steel back up on the wall and then repainting it. Nothing to it, obviously, it's just time. The back here is pretty much the same as the blue trailer that I've already shot on the channel. These windows let down, but this one has this ramp right here, and the top right here folds or swings out, and then this ramp lets down. But we might have to get rid of the ramp because this trailer has shore power, which I have shore power hooked up to the trailer's hooked up to the shop right now. It's got everything on the living quarters. So this trailer is a generator of some kind. I would love, if the trailer was nicer, like mint condition, I would buy an Onan Cummins diesel generator for it. But we're not that far along into this endeavor yet, so not going to happen. What I have thought about doing is, since we really won't be using the ramp, can build a box or a cover right here, and they can also act as a workbench or anything like that. But in reality, it's just going to cover up the generator, because I can set a generator right here and then have that over it and then run the exhaust out the floor. And then the trailer will be its own thing. You know, I won't have to rely on hooking up to a shop or anything like that. Something there. My neighbor got a new old lady. Anyway, I'm gonna be a little more quieter now. What was I talking about? Oh, the generator. I wouldn't have to rely on I wouldn't have to rely on that. If I needed to, we could pull up to the track, crank the generator up, bam, we got everything in our living quarters, air conditioner, lights, and I'm gonna get an air compressor of some kind. Obviously, it's gonna have to be gas, which is no problem. But yeah, I haven't pulled it out back yet and blown any of the hay out of it, because I've been working on the blue trailer, and this one's strictly for resale. Me and Landon just took the dividers out of it yesterday, and so I still gotta take these out, pressure wash them, blow the trailer out. And so here's the rust I was talking about. Also, y'all see the little red dot right there? I don't know what that is. I need a new camera. So yeah, this set of wall is going to come out. It's just 4 pin on each corner, and the whole thing comes out in a side rack pin up there. Going to clean all the walls, repaint them white, and then clear coat them so that they're shiny. It has no light back here except for this one, and as you can tell, it does not work. I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put 120 light out here and then 120 volt light in here for generator and shore power, and then 12 volt light for my truck, which is no problem. I mean, can do that. So yeah, that's pretty much the back here, and then toolbox and probably a workbench of some kind, which is going to be the generator box cover, and then tie downs from the floor for the bikes, and interior lights and RGB lights running down each side. And let's go to the living quarters and see what we got going on in there. This is the living quarters. Pretty wicked so far. We got the old mattress out, which smelled really bad. No offense to the lady I got it from. We put up Landon's girlfriend put the RGB lights in here. You know, everything looks better with some RGB lights. And then this is the light that we used. It's just a regular light, LED light from Harbor Freight. It's like $14. It draws no power at all. You could probably run that thing off of a potato if you wanted to, like no power. You got a sink. Landon sanded down the countertops. They're buttery smooth. This is what the countertops used to look like, and now this is what they look like now. We put in a TV. Got some shelves here. Got a clothes hanger right there. TV, speaker, mirror, sink. As far as air conditioner goes, we're either going to do a window unit or a portable unit. And so far, the only two spots is going to be either right here or into this wall, blow, and the hot air, the radiator will be in the back though. So I'd have to run a hose down through the floor of the trailer for the water to drip out of the air conditioner. Or I like to put it up in here in this part of the wall, but the landing gear is right in the way. So that sucks, but that'd be absolutely perfect for it. So yeah, it's going to be either window unit or portable unit. It's got to happen. During the winter when we're riding, air conditioner is not a concern whatsoever. Air conditioner could not. This trailer's insulated from that window right there to the very, very back door. So during the winter, no problem. It's got a fiberglass roof on it. Yeah. And then fire extinguisher. Gotta have a fire extinguisher. Yeah, we do most of our riding in the winter time, so air conditioner really isn't way up there on the list, but at the same time it is, because like right now it'd be perfect. I can put that fan in that window blowing out, and it'll slam this door shut and pull a draft through that window. Like this curtain will be all about here. This living quarters is 100% sealed off tight. And just in case you were wondering what the lights look like with that light on, they're still really bright. And as far as how we hung this light, it's just double-sided tape on each end, so there's nothing fancy going on there. And yeah, I guess I'll put the camera down, get everything closed off in here. And so yeah, that's pretty much the rundown and the plans of the trailer. How much of that will happen, I don't know. It's still up for sale along with this trailer. Somebody brings me some good money for this trailer, they can take it home. Brand new tires, well not brand new, newish tires. Got really good tread on them. Brakes on both axles, all four wheels. This trailer right here, same thing. Brakes, good tires, lights, brand new LED lights across the sides, inside and outside. This trailer only has 3 on the front, 1 on each corner, and then 1 on the back, and then 1 on the fender on each side. It's going to be getting the full package like I did on this one, light every few feet. And then this trailer is just like this trailer is going to be getting underglow on it, so that'll look really good. And if there's room, lights along the bottom, and the blue down there, and then the running boards and fenders are getting polished out to chrome. This is, if you look in the first video of what this trailer used to look like, it was all white. I went over this trailer once with the buffing wheel, and you can see how much of a difference it's made if you remember what it used to look like. But ever since then, it's really dusty now, and I need to do it again. That's, like I said, that's just the first pass. You're not going to get it all in the first pass. And we're going to repaint the roof and the frame up under here. All of this is getting repainted. That's all surface rust. Going to wire wheel all of that off, and then repaint it along with polishing out that diamond plate. That'll look really good. There's the tank. I started sanding on it and didn't finish. Yeah, this trailer is, I love it. Like I said, it's up for sale. There's the saddle, the partition walls, all that. Here's the blue trailer. You know, same as it was. Get my toolbox in there finally.